of another school year, I would like to say thank you to all the teachers, administrators, parents, and community for another successful year. I've heard many great testimony about Mr. Greenberg in terms of his courageous conversation, and really very impressed with how many students have come and talked about the changes in their lives. The class that he has taught and how he has touched many lives of students. I would like to also make it very clear about my take on the Center School Courageous Conversation, Greenberg transfer. I honestly support the courageous conversation about racial justice among our students. It is an area that I believe that students of all races should have the opportunity to discuss. But I would like to give some cautious that when we involve students in this kind of discussions, the teacher who is the instructor facilitator of this conversation must be very honest in how he presents himself and how to filter the various questions that are asked by the students. I believe that students that ask questions, I believe the students that so many have ridiculed because of their complaint was never really fairly given the opportunity to be heard from. Because of various conversations and facts from both sides involved, I realized that it doesn't matter if it is just one student that complained, but the fact that she was publicly ridiculed because of her own opinion. Opinion or question that was never answered. She was told to shut up and sit down and was never given the opportunity to have her question answered. If we are going to use an adult curriculum to teach our students, we have to be ready to provide an honest, courageous conversation with our students, even when it means to say that you don't have the answer. I believe that Mr. Greenberg has been very empowering for the many students that were taught by him, but when we ridicule one student because of difference of opinion, the whole purpose of the courageous conversation is to make sure that all students learn and are heard in terms of race and justice. I believe that
student was.
I believe that
the audience to please come to order. Thank you.
I believe that he is a wonderful teacher, and he's done tremendous among his students. But we have to realize that even if one student made a mistake or one student were actually not accounted for what happened, we have to look at every student deserve an opportunity to an equity education.
Thank you. Director Horn.